You ever feel invisible, like no one notices your effort, your heart, or your faithfulness? Let me remind you, just because people don't see you doesn't mean God doesn't. In Genesis 16:13, Hagar said, "You are the God who sees me." Even when she was alone, running through the desert, God showed up. He saw her pain, he heard her cry, and he had a plan. Maybe you've been showing up, giving your all, but feeling unseen. Don't let that discourage you. Your quiet obedience is echoing in heaven. The same God who saw Hagar sees you, right there, in your apartment, at your job, in your tears. Keep walking in purpose even when no one's clapping. God is arranging opportunities, relationships, and divine timing, all behind the scenes. When it's time, He'll make sure you're seen by the right people in the right moment for the right reason.